I heard it. We got this stress ball. Filled with little tiny like balls. I guess that's what it is. Is this filled with like balls?
Wait, do you like it better with the audio? I like it better with audio, but I just want to see what you think. Or
I like it better with audio.
yeah.
What happened to the rest of the video?
I cut it because the audio is only 7 seconds long.
Yeah, but this is a DNA ball, and it has like a bunch of little tiny circular balls in it or whatever. That's cool. Okay, next I have this Nido. It changes from yellow to orange. It's super cool, and I really like it. I have this Orbeez stress ball. And it's really squishy. And it has a bunch of little Orbeez in it. Next I have this. It's a smiley face, but it's a splat ball, so it's like filled with like water. And it's really cool. Its face is kind of rushing off, but like still really cool. Really cool. And I'm not showing you all the ones I have. Yeah, that. Let me show you that. Because I don't want to, but I'm only showing you some of them. I have this little mini stress ball filled with like Orbeez. I also have this narrow filled with Orbeez. Pretty cool. I have this orange Nido. It's cool as well. Bye guys.